Holly, welcome back to my fabulous salon. I'm so excited you're back. You want to try a different hairstyle? What about using your crimping iron? Doesn't this look like fun? You don't need water or heat. Holly, why don't we make 2 ponytails and crimp the ponytails? So I'm going to take 2 sections of hair. I guess that means pigtails. I'm going to grab this pink rubber band. I'm gonna grab the other rubber band and make another pigtail. Wow, Holly, you look super cute with just pigtails. But let's crimp them. So I'm gonna take a small section of your hair here in this pigtail. Make sure you hold the crimper for 15 seconds. Wow, that really looks amazing. Let's do the rest. Wow, your tools are like magic. I can't even believe this. Keep doing this. Holly, this is so cool. I can crimp your hair and keep your crown in. This pigtail is almost done crimping and then we'll start on the other side. I'm crimping the inside. Can't wait to see what your hair is gonna look like. Remember, Holly, you have to hold it for 15 seconds. So pretty. Look at that. Holly, you look fabulous. Thanks so much for coming into the salon. You girls can do this too. Check out my other videos for hairstyling tips. See you at the salon.